Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 21 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Let's review first. 搜索，搜索，搜索 search 排队，排队，排队 line up 回应，回应，回应 response 电影，电影，电影 film 音乐，音乐，音乐 music 上课，上课，上课 go to class 表演，表演，表演 performance 作业，作业，作业 work or task 商店，商店，商店 shop 老师，老师，老师 teacher 衣服，衣服，衣服 clothes 没有，没有，没有 no none 写字，写字，写字 write 翻译，翻译，翻译 translate 英语，英语，英语 English 拍照，拍照，拍照 take picture 风景，风景，风景 scenery view 旅游，旅游，旅游 travel, travel, travel. Okay, today we are going to learn 邮件，邮件，邮件，短信，视频。Okay. 邮件，邮件 means mail. 电子邮件 email 邮件，邮件。Please email me all the information. 请写邮件给我详细信息。邮件，邮件，人字旁。邮件 mail 短信的短信，短信 means short message. Short message 短信，短信 short message. Have you received my message? 你收到我的短信了吗？短信，都短信，短信 short message. First one for today. 视频，视频 means video. 视频，视键频不页视频 video watch the video below 请看下面的视频 邮件，邮件，邮件 ，mail，短信，短信，短信 ，short message，视频，视频，视频 ，video， video， video。Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.